"Don't contact me for a while," my friend texted. I'm still not exactly sure why she's upset, but it reminds me of the time another friend I loved very much cut me out of her life because of something I said after her father died. I'm human. For the 2 years until we sorted things out, her absence hurt me deeply. It's emotional violence when we stonewall a committed friend and don't give them a chance to repair things when they cause us pain. Jury's out on my current situation, but know this: every human being messes up. The sign of a healthy relationship is not that there's no conflict, but rather how quickly you repair and reconnect. To avoid experiencing or inflicting the pain of disconnection I'm in now, bring your friends to a Safe Conversations workshop. In 4 hours, you'll learn how to create safe friendships with room to be human. I'm RevDocLisaIntegralHealer, and I'm with you on the journey.